So how do some of nature's smallest creatures help us solve our biggest problems? Let's find out.
I mean, check this out. Ants perform insane feats of teamwork, like building living bridges from their bodies.
And working together, they dig these massive tunnels, moving every single grain of sand to find food.
They're even smart enough to use tools. Here, they're making a dirt path to get over a sticky trap.
And sometimes you just get a hero. This single ant carried food across a tightrope all by himself.
So the big question is, how do they coordinate all this? There's no single leader calling the shots.
The secret is something called swarm intelligence. The entire colony acts like one single superorganism.
This intelligence relies on a few key things: different worker types, teamwork, and a special way of communicating.
They talk by leaving behind chemical trails called pheromones. It's like leaving messages for their friends to follow.
Okay, but what happens when something gets in their way? How do they find the absolute best path?
While the shorter route gets reinforced faster, creating a strong pheromone trail that becomes the new highway.
This natural efficiency gave scientists a huge idea. What if computers could think like an ant colony?
So they did. They created artificial ants and software to solve incredibly complex problems.
This field is called ant colony optimization, or ACO, and trust me, its applications are mind-blowing. It tackles huge problems, like mapping evolution. With just 15 species, there are 213 trillion possible family trees.
Just like finding the shortest path, these ant algorithms find the most likely connections between species.
And get this, in tests, ACO actually performed better than other well-known methods for this kind of work.
This ant logic isn't just for genetics. Engineers also use it to design more efficient antennas.
This mathematical formula is basically the computer's version of a pheromone trail, letting it learn and improve. One algorithm, inspired by those ant bridges, successfully optimized a complex 20-element antenna array.
It's incredible. From a breadcrumb to the building blocks of life, the humble ant's strategy is a powerhouse.
It just goes to show you, nature has already solved so many of our toughest challenges. We just have to look.